Hey everybody, welcome to week 2. This is your agenda for April 20th. Happy birthday to Mr. Shepherd. Yay! Okay, so down here we have your weekly agenda, the 5-day agenda just like we had last week, and then the explanation video, which is what I'm making for you right now. Just a quick reminder that we have Zoom on Wednesday from 2 to 2:30. If you have not registered for Smart Music, there's 2 or 3 of you out there. Please do so by clicking on this link and using this code right here. And most of you have done this already, but if you haven't yet, please sign up for the text reminders. That's the quickest way for me to get short pieces of information out to you. So please sign up for that. Let's take a look at the agenda for this week. You'll see option A, option B, slightly different, but the end goal is the same. The end of the week, we are going to be submitting 5 major scales, 5 that you should know quite well: C, F, B flat, E flat, and A flat. And the project is at 100 beats per minute. So if you feel that you're pretty close to that already, I would take option A. If you're not quite up to that speed yet, take option B. And as you see, option B starts you at 60 beats per minute, and then each day it clicks it up 10 beats per minute until by Friday, you're now up to the 100 beats per minute. If you are doing option A, I'd like you to mess around a little bit more in Smart Music. I'd like you to find some new songs. I'd like you to look through the solo music. Maybe you'll find some movie themes that you know or some other interesting pieces. And when you find things that you like, please share those with me because I'm looking for project ideas for the rest of the marking period. Mr. Reese and I have a plan, but we're willing to change our plan to best suit what it is that you feel would be beneficial right now. When you get into Smart Music, you will probably notice that it says, it won't say pending, it'll have the assignments. This was recorded the day before that they are opened up, but you'll notice that it says you have 1 late assignment. This is if you submitted either Canticum or Celebration and Song, but not both recordings. Don't worry about that. I wouldn't panic at all. We only required 1. Some of you did 2, which is great. But if it says late, don't worry unless it says too late, and then that means that you didn't enter either recording. Over here under graded, if you click on graded, you will see the tab open up with, again, there's your late assignment for me, Celebration and Song, but then recently graded assignments. So if I click on this box over here, it'll show my score, and it also will have any comments that the teacher may have made or that you have made to me. So check your box down here to see recordings from me. If there's any comments you wanted to leave for me, you can do that over there. Okay? There's my other score. Now you see that I had written comments in here. So either way, that's what I want you to do each week, is to log in to Smart Music and check out your comments from the week before. If you don't have any comments from me yet, that means I'm getting to them, but they'll be up there in the next day or so. Hopefully that answers any questions you might have about your assignments this week. Again, it's the 5 major scale starting on C major and going down to A flat major at 100 beats per minute. We do have some important information coming out on Zoom on Wednesday, so please make sure you're there for that meeting. And again, sign up for the text reminders if you haven't done that already. That information is right there on your Echo agenda. Hope you have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.